Good evening. So today I will be teaching you how to make hair bows from scratch for your pets. Hair bows are a cute and fun accessory for your pet, and most pet owners just think that you have to buy pre-made bows from the store and spend about $10 on a set of bows, and that is just ridiculous. So what I'm going to do today is show you how easy of a task making bows is and how you can easily make them your own. I will be sitting down for this video just because I find it a little easier for me to make hair bows while sitting down. I really can't do it standing up, and I don't really have anybody else to film me. So we're going to roll with it, and here we go. So the first thing you need to do is when you go to the store, you need to purchase, the most important things are going to be your rubber bands. So you're just going to have rubber bands like this. You can buy these at any dollar store or Walmart or anything like that. They're very small and flexible. Some dog groomers even use the rubber bands that you use for braces. But I find those a little hard to work with if you have bigger hands than like a 5-year-old. So that's really hard to do. So the second thing you're going to need is going to be a pair of scissors. That is going to be used to cut your ribbon. And the very last thing you'll need if you're just making simple bows is going to be your ribbon. I chose just some nice teal ribbon. It's the satin kind. There are different types of ribbon that have a little bit more of a firm backing on them, and they're not as soft. And those tend to make prettier bows that have that nice oval shape to them, but this will totally work, and I got everything I needed from the dollar store, so you really can't beat that. So your first step is going to be to take your ribbon and your scissors, and I cut about 2.5 inches of ribbon, and then I go ahead and I take my one piece of ribbon and I hook it to the spool. And that way I can go ahead and measure out perfectly my next piece, and then I will cut that. So now you'll have 2 pieces of ribbon that are going to match. So for your first little bow, since we're going to make a matching set, you're going to take and make the breast cancer symbol with your ribbon. So just like that. The next piece or next step that you're going to do is you'll take this piece of ribbon in the back and you'll just simply fold it down and you'll pinch it with your thumb in the back. So you see that's easily pinched. Your next step is going to be to go ahead and grab one of your rubber bands. I have been doing this for 8 years and I always have to use my teeth. So sorry, it's inappropriate and not very polite, but I just open it like this with an oval shape. Then I turn my hands to the side so that my pointer finger and thumb have a C. You'll go ahead and you will, I'm going to make the ribbon backwards since it's easier to do for me. I'm going to go ahead and turn this back around, and you're going to take your C and you're going to lay it across right the middle of that bow. So you'll lay it around the middle of the bow right there. You'll pull your top finger down and you will go through the rubber band right there. So now both of your pieces of rubber band are on your pointer finger. Go ahead, use your thumb again, go through the hole right there, pull the bottom piece of the rubber band through, and you'll, all while holding the ribbon, you'll go ahead and you will pop it on through. So then you will have your bow. And the struggle with this satin ribbon is that it doesn't always make it perfect the first time. So you have to play with it and fluff it up a little bit. So as you can see on the bottom, I got stray little ends, but that's really easy. You can just cut that off. And then some groomers even take a little bit of like glue and they'll put glue on the end. So that's how you make one bow. So we'll go ahead and we'll review and make our second bow for your dog. So again, we go ahead and review. make the breast cancer symbol. Go ahead, pull the back down so that you have the shape of a bow. Take your rubber band, open it. You'll go ahead, make your C, lay it across the front of the bow. You'll pull your top finger and you'll grab the bottom piece of the rubber band. You'll pull that through and you'll go ahead and snap. And there you'll have another dog bow. So in the very end, like I said, you go ahead, fluff it up, and then you go. They are ready to put in Fido's hair and give them that extra little pizzazz after their cute little groom job. A lot of people will add on rhinestones or make them glittery and all types of things. And some people even use 2 to 3 different colors of fabric and ribbon to make their bows a little more something and let them pop. I just wanted to show you a cheap, easy way to save a little bit of money. Now you know where you can purchase the supplies. You know how to cut the ribbon, the ways to fold your ribbon, how to apply your rubber band, and how to add your flair, your own flair to any bow so that you can make your dog look like a superstar. Thank you very much.